Money walk back. Shame me dark back. Some say I go back ladder. Body there for backyard. Money walk back. Shame me dark back. Some say I go back ladder.
Period. It's looking gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. Gorgeous, you're welcome. We are revealing a braided wig, and this is for my braided wig. If you want this hair, all link will be on the description box. By the way, thank you so much, my braided wig, for sponsoring this video. Without wasting your time, let's head into this video. And gorgeous, please, if you haven't subscribed, join the gorgeous family by hitting on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? Thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate it. This is how it came, okay, in this pack here. Yeah, oh, it's long. There are some goodies that came with it. You guys know I love my goodies. Anytime goodies come with a wig, I'm always appreciating. This is a bonnet that came with it. Okay, pink. We love it. And wig cap that came with it too. Okay, 2 pairs inside. And this is, I don't know, this thing I always ask, what is this? I don't know whether it's something you wear before the wig or before, I don't really know. Please, if you know the use of this, let me know on the comment section, because I don't know the use of this thing. Is it that you wear before wearing the wig? I don't really know, guys. I don't really know the use of this. So if you know, let me know on the comment section. All right, guys, let me show you guys the wig. All right, that is why we are here. So this is the wig. It's so long, and that is how I love it. You see the details. Oh, this is so beautiful. I think I'm going to take it outside to show you guys how it really look on natural light, because I'm using a light here, artificial lighting. So I will take it outside to show you guys the real how it really look on natural lights. Okay, I think you guys are going to like it that way. But anyway, let's install it first. This is it. This is how it looks. Okay, you can see it, and this is the front. It came with there is some baby hair here. You can see these. You can see these. Let me remove this one so that you guys can see it very well. This out, and I'm going to remove all this from it. Okay, I want to like style this wig in a natural way. I just hope I'll be able to style it the way I have it in my head or my head. I don't know how I'm going to put it for you guys. It came center, but you can pack it wherever way you want, whichever way you want. And the lace is brown. You can see it is brown. Okay, and it's full lace. Yeah, this is full lace, so you can just pack your hair ponytail. See, it is full lace. Okay, it's not half lace, it's full lace. And it came with detachable, is this okay? It's attachable, okay, adjustable strap, and there are some combs, and there's another attachable strap here. There's another strap here, and there's this one here. All right, I really like the way that the color of this thing is brown, and you can pattern it the way you want. Yeah, when you use my code, you're going to get some percentage of you guys know will love that. The code is going to last for only 1 month. Okay, so hurry down, don't miss out this deal. Don't miss out this deal. Hurry out to get this wig and use that code. The length of the wig, it is 36 inches. Knotless braided wig. All details, the link to their website, everything will be on the description box. All right, guys, let me pop this wig on for you guys to see. So guys, this is it on. You can see it. See, just like my scalp, it looks so natural. can see looks so natural, and the lace is HD lace. You can see I've not cut the lace, but we are not seeing the lace, which is so nice about it. You can see it, and you can pack it the way you want. Okay, if you want to pack it in a bun, you can pack it because it has a full lace. It's full lace. Okay, you just have to glue the back down. See, you just have to glue the back down, then you pack it the way you want. If you want to pack it upwards, okay, and yeah, you can pack it sideways, you can pack it wherever way you want to pack this hair. All right, I'm just going to cut off the excess lace from it, then I'm going to glue this down. Okay, am I going to glue it? Let's see, let me cut the excess lace from it first, guys.
You know, the thing about life is everything goes for some people and nothing goes for other people. Some man I live free, nothing there. Nah, go on. Yeah. True. Money walk back. Shemi dak ba. Some say I go back balada, body there for backyard. Money walk back. Shemi dak ba. Some say I go back balada, body there for backyard. Setting your mondoma. Yeah. What's in my bed to your mondoma? See me rolling and I'm moved on. Setting your mondoma. 1 kilometer. Some say around kilometer.
I'm using this Meti spray to hold it down.
Them see the writing and dodge. Say anything goes, even marry a top. Say to your mondoma. What's in my bed to your mondoma? See me rolling and I'm moved on. Say to your mondoma. Say to your mondoma. What's in my bed to your mondoma? See me rolling and I'm moved on. Say to your mondoma. Money walk.
So this is it. I'm going to tie it down to allow it to melt. So guys, I had to double it with this one. So let's lose it out to see. I waited for a while. I just hope it's okay. I hope it's okay. Yeah. Let me lose this one. I just hope, fingers crossed, that is okay. Because I do not wait for long. I'm supposed to wait for like 15 to like 20 minutes. But I just waited few minutes. Let's see. Okay. I think it's okay. I think so. Yeah, I can see this is it. I think it's okay. Okay, let me dress it off camera, then I'll come back to show you guys the end result of it. So guys, it's done. I just use the bronzer in the front of my hair like this. You see, I did not do much. Okay, I did this as simple as possible. Just glue it down, then tie the baby hair, and that is it. I did not do much, guys. I just tied it down, glue it down, then tie the baby hair down, and like this. Okay, and that is it. You don't need to do much, and it's looking natural. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? It's looking natural. Period. It's looking gorgeous. See that? This is the back. You see this? Okay, let me bring it forward for you guys to see. And we're going to go outside to see how it looks outside. If you want to pack it, just make it in a bun, whatever way you want to pack this hair, you can. So don't forget, the link to this wig, this braided wig, will be on the description box. Using my code, you're getting it for free. You are getting it for free, girl, with that code. Using my code, I tell you, is a free gift. All right, okay guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Let me know what you think. If I tried with this hair, did I try to